Hello, Nathan. I thought this demonstration of how you can cite papers inside Overleaf would be beneficial for you. So uh, here's the example. So you go in to the document, and I don't know what you do for the rich text, but in the source, how I do it is you go to the introduction. So I'm clicking on introduction, and it says this is a template. So okay, so I am writing my own work. So it will appear here in introduction. Now I going to cite this work. So I want to cite this work, which is Gully VR. So I want to cite here. So what I have to do is add a space, then backslash cite. And inside the bracket, I have to give an ID that I'm going to cite. So how do I find this ID? Or what do I do? I go to Google Scholar. So search Google Scholar and go there. And you mainly search the uh, title of the paper in Google Scholar, and you'll see an option here called Cite. So you click on Cite, and you don't use these, you find the bib text. So click on, after you press on Cite here, you click on bib text, and then you get the citation. So you copy this bib text inside the bib folder. So where is the bib folder? Here's the template bib. So I go into here, and it has like previous stuff. I am going to Control A and delete all of this. And you add the things one by one. So if you add a new paper, you just add it below it. I just have one paper. And if I want to cite this paper, I go back to my template.txt, which is my main text file. And so template bib for the bib text, and template text is where I write my things. So I will just write, I'll copy this ID. So the first thing that is before the comma, the first thing is the ID of the paper. So I copy that and have it here. So if you see, it will be added to the reference. If I don't cite it, it won't be added. When I cite a paper, only then it will be added in the reference list. I'll show you another example. So if I search redirected walking, and if I want to cite this paper, so go to Cite, bib text, copy, and then I go to the bib file. I paste the bib text. I copy the ID, and then I go to my introduction. So if I just double click here, it will put my cursor in introduction, and I write, so this is another paper, and backslash cite. So the benefit of using Overleaf is that each conference has a different way of citing. So if you have a LaTeX file, it will follow the exact citation method for that conference. And also, if I add more citations, it will be automatically numbered. So I don't need to keep track of my citations. I just put in \cite an ID and it corresponds to that paper. So this is a huge advantage. So that was the demonstration. Thank you for watching.